Guys, at 5 subscribers, I'll do fridge reveal. Guys, at 5 subscribers, I'll do a fridge reveal. You know what, guys? Let's just do fridge reveal right now. Screw 5 subscribers. Let's do fridge reveal right now. Could get my way to there. 5 subscribers for my inside fridge reveal. If we can hit 5 subscribers, I'll show you my inside fridge reveal. This is my outside stuff right now. Okay, guys, there you have it. An outside fridge reveal. 5 subscribers for an inside fridge reveal. Can we hit 5 subscribers? I don't know. It's up to you guys. I don't know why I just did that. I'm so weird. Hey, what's that noise? Sorry guys, it's really bright outside. Hold up. Oh gosh. What did this video become to? Guys, can we just hit 5 subscribers? If we hit 25 million subscribers, I will delete my channel. I will delete my channel if we get 10,000. No. I will delete my channel if we get 1 million subscribers. Can we do it? Up to you guys. Peace.